Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix the error USB not recognized in Windows 11. So first, what you want to do is you need to go to the search bar and type in Windows Update. And right here you want to click on this one, and you need to make sure that your device is fully updated. So if you're not up to date, you want to click on install the updates and you want to restart your PC. But if the first method doesn't work, you want to head to the Windows icon right here and you want to right click it. So after you right click it, you want to click on the device manager right here. When this pops up, you want to scroll down until you find USB connector managers. You want to click on the drop down arrow, you want to right click on this, and you want to click on the update driver, and you want to click on search automatically for drivers. And if this says the best drivers for your device already installed, you can just close this, and then you want to click on the drop down arrow again. After that, you want to click on the USB controllers, and you want to click on the drop down arrow. Then you want to click on this USB root hub. You want to right click update driver again, and click on the search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, it is already installed. You can just close, and it should work. But if it's not working still, what you want to do is you need to go to your search bar, type in CMD, and then click on run as administrator, click yes, and then type in GP update. So this basically will update your GPU status and ensure that your error is fixed. So now you can just type in enter, it's updating your policy, and you can just wait. Alright, so it says that your computer policy update has been completed successfully, and now it should work. Now you guys know how to fix the USB not recognized error in Windows 11. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.